If you're wondering how you can analyze crypto, I'm going to show you the basics of how you can do it. First off, the way we can analyze crypto is we're going to look at the charts, right? Because we need data and we'll need data to reference and analyze the crypto and how the trends will go. And of course, it'll somewhat, we can predict the future by looking at the data. Now, the data I'm going to be using is going to be from a website called coinmarketcap.com. Now, for example, here, let's say we want to buy something called Bitcoin, right? We want to buy Bitcoin. Now, when you click on Bitcoin here, you'll see that this is what the data will look like, right? You can change the data to be like this. This is called a bar chart, right? Now, from the bar chart here, you just have to read it. And from here, there is a couple of trends and a couple of patterns that you can uh, infer from, right? So for example, here I'm going to show a couple of chart and a couple of pattern you can see on the screen right now. Now, based off that patterns, you can deduct what kind of shift or what kind of change it will make in the market in the future, right? Now, that is the very basics of it. The very basics that you have to look at the charts, you look at the pattern, and then you make your decision based off those chart and or pattern. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.